I'm Rico. I'm the drummer for A.R.T. I play drums.
Woo!
And some other instruments. And yeah, this is the band.
Nice intro, bro.
Thank you.
I'm John. I play sax and paint windows.
My name's Alfie. I paint doors and I am the singer and rhythm guitarist of this band.
Pick up the day job.
Come on. My name's Tiernan. I play tiny little figures and I play the bass.
My name's Bradley and I play the lead guitar.
So boys, how do you come about as a band?
The band's been going for a few years. It started just before COVID. There were some kids a couple of years above us at school. They were like, "Oh, Alfie, you do music. Get your band along for this gig and come and support us." I didn't have a band at the time, so we had like a month just to raise some stuff together and form this. And then as the years sort of moved on a little bit, the members sort of changed and kind of realised, you know what, let's just get your best mates as band members rather than just like people who play instruments. And then sort of, yeah, we met through school, we met through parties.
Family and line
Craigslist or something?
Yeah, Craigslist.
But we had to replace Tom because he fell up the stairs and he broke his arm for the gig, so we had to find a new guitarist.
Yeah, we've known each other for donkeys, and so we 2015 10 years, it's our 10-year anniversary now. Woo, gonna get married soon. Funny enough, Rico was the first friend I ever made at my first ever house party and then didn't see him for about 6 years.
Yeah.
And then Brad was like, "Oh, I know a drummer, let me get this guy along," and it turned out to be him. I was like, "Oh, okay, little full circle, man."
I remember he had an Arctic Monkeys shirt on. I remember that distinctly because that was also one of my first house parties. I just went up to you and said, "Do you like Arctic Monkeys?" And you pulled up your jacket.
I had an Iron Monkeys necklace and
Something
an
like
Iron
that.
Monkeys t-shirt.
Yeah. And I was like,
Proper
"Fuck, that's the guy." And then we never crossed paths again.
It's A.R.T.
Yeah.
And I've been saying to people, saying, who are you recording on the weekend? I'm recording A.R.T. Is it art?
Either or.
It doesn't. We know. It's like if someone shouts your name but says it wrong, you're still gonna turn and look. You know.
Right. Okay.
It's art is the official way, but
Art, A.R.T.
Yeah, I think both work.
Why do you guys write music?
I just can't. My brain can't switch on with covers.
Yeah, they're not the same. You're not yourself.
Exactly.
Cover, you know.
It feels like you're trying to be something else.
Yeah. I did karaoke for the first time a couple of weeks ago. And I'm a singer. This is my job. I'm a singer for a band. So I thought, oh yeah, karaoke. I'll smash this. I'll be alright. Started singing. It was horrible. It was dreadful. And I think that's why
You weren't drunk enough.
No, when you're
I can do what I can do when it's our own
stylized.
And it's sort of suited to what we all get.
But we fit it around your vocals as well. I think we have your vocals in mind whenever we do music. We end up playing a lot of similar keys, and I think any band would do that because a vocalist has a limit.
Look at three good examples would be look at Oasis, look at AC/DC, and look at Stereophonics.
Yeah.
They're mostly in the same range of keys.
Yeah.
Musical influences.
We all kind of have slightly different music tastes,
I was gonna say
but all have some similar aspects. So we all kind of bring a different subject.
We all have a different flavour that we bring to the table.
I think I'm the only one who really likes jazz.
I like jazz.
Well,
You're the only one who knows a lot about jazz.
you like soft jazz.
I like not chill jazz. Brad's the rock.
But I like quite a lot of country as well.
That's
a lot of country anyway.
Rico's the heavy rock.
Yeah.
Deftones,
it's
boy.
just, like any music ever, but I mean the thing that I'm bringing as a drummer, I think, is something heavy and energetic, and then also throwing in some Latin grooves or Caribbean groove to break it up, so that it's not just a wall of rock. Because I think that's something that we've been doing. And I think it's working and it sounds interesting and it's more danceable.
Quite a lot of drum and bass.
We have tiny bits of drum and bass in our music, to be fair.
Smidges.
One section.
Rock artists, indie artists are taking the hooks from their songs and making remixes and then giving them to DJs.
Yeah, just opens up a whole new horizon.
It's just more content. It just feels right.
In this day and age, it's just content.
You got in contact with a bunch of your followers and they sent in questions, so we're gonna
did.
So from Groovy Lexi,
Oof. You know Lexi.
what came first, the chicken or the egg?
I think it was a cross between a chicken and something that wasn't a chicken. It's like half chicken, half something that wasn't a chicken, and then the chicken came out of that.
Is this fact? Is this
Bit of mutation.
That would make
Some kind of theory around it.
Wow, because I've never heard that before.
Yeah.
Is it scientific?
I've done deep dives into chicken versus egg.
Loopy Graham says She says, what cheap thrills do you have?
No, none, man. I'm a straight shooter. I like the sparkling water. It's quite fun. As these guys know, I love like a bath.
He loves baths.
So would you say
He has like 2 baths a day. Like he needs to wake
When
up.
I'm having a hot soap with some Epsom salt and some essential oils.
He'll spend 3 hours in the tub, man.
I will.
So you half fish then?
Aquatic, yeah, kind of. I'm not. I can't really swim very well, but
But you can't afford it.
By Art Music, we have what band member would you put in a cage for a day like an animal?
But you can do a really good monkey impression.
Yeah.
I was going to say, who reminds me?
Imagine that in a cage for a day.
Man, he needs to be in a cage. So what animal would you guys be then if you had to be an animal?
Quokka.
What's a quokka?
You know those really happy Australian little things that just smile all the time?
Nah.
Which one?
Wow, like big rodents, but just fucking yeah, like
as the
you know,
yeah, a bit like beavers.
yeah, like a beaver that's really smiley.
I don't know.
Some kind
Just
of
like the name, Quokka. It's a
Yeah,
cool name.
It's a good name for a son.
Quokka.
Quokka Clayton.
Quokka.
Weasels are cute.
A weasel. Weasel is a horrible name for a kid.
Weasel.
Come here, weasel.
Weasel.
Yeah, bird's a good option.
Yeah, I just want to be able to fly.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, an eagle. Eagle would be great.
Yeah, long distance.
Like a
flying.
big one. Yeah, big
You're
one.
not, yeah.
Albatross.
I'll be
Flown along.
a bath dog or a monkey.
I can see you as a duck.
I'll be a monkey duck.
What would you be, Jonty?
Be a walrus.
A walrus.
That's a good option.
Whoa.
Honestly, just chill out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just have a lot
Have
of
a
fight
tell me
now
how.
and
Eating fish.
eat some fish.
Actually, yeah, you get tusks.
Yeah.
You do smell really bad, apparently.
Oh, I don't want to be that anymore.
Do you boys believe in life on other planets?
Yeah. I
Obviously.
think it's unlikely that there isn't any life in
Yeah.
the whole universe.
The amount of, like, how big the universe
So
is,
even
how many
humans,
stars,
right?
Yeah.
Surely there's got to be something.
Do you believe that aliens have already visited Earth?
That's a tricky one.
Yeah,
I think since Egyptian times they've been viewing us.
You think they just built the pyramids?
I think they held. The problem is something. There's like 2,000 years where there's no documentation or like no one knows what happened.
Do you think like it's like Minecraft for them? You just fucking press and the block goes on on yeah. So how close are we to living on Mars then?
living. Like, what do you mean? Like, to what extent? Like humans
I've colonized.
colonize,
Yeah, let's say colonize Mars and
self-sufficient.
self-sufficiency. Yeah.
Maybe like 150 years. The whole thing was they need to get water up there.
Yeah.
But water's so heavy, so they wanted to develop some kind of system to be able to get water from Mars, like from the crust.
You guys watch a lot of films as a band.
What did we watch the other day in the van?
Food
Fight.
Food Fight. Yeah, the worst rated film ever.
Oh, yeah, we've got a new tour bus, new van, and it's all prisoner transport.
Yeah.
And they've got this tiny little TV. It's like the size of our phone. It connects to a DVD player. And we got I've got a collection of bootleg DVDs like Ratatouille, like fake Ratatouille, or
Right.
What's Up Balloon Adventure, like
Ants Life was on.
Yeah, Ants Life.
Yeah.
It's Cars Life.
Cars Life. That's
Something like-
it.
yeah. But there's one called Food Fight, which is officially the worst rated movie of all time.
Really? Wow.
I'm watching that. That was
Isn't
good.
that What's Up or something?
Yeah, What's Up Balloon Adventure?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
that was yeah.
tragic. But it's got like some really good actors in Food Fight, like voice actors.
That's the thing. Yeah,
But then,
it's
and it's just like so terrible, and it's like uncanny valley because they've used like tracking, but it's not really good yet. So they're just like too fluid. Like these people are moving around like very fast.
There's a full
It
massive.
looks
budget
so.
movie that's just-
Oh my god, it's just terrible.
Yeah, pick it
Terrible
up. It's
film.
good.
Yeah, what are we rating the B-Mags out of 10? What are we saying?
These ones are really good. I haven't tried
I'm
them.
not really sitting on this.
You're kind of sound.
I'm using it as like a backrest on the floor. But it's alright. I'm comfy.
Yeah, because
I'm comfy.
Two people are comfy on this one, so that's pretty good. That's
I'm
that's
extra
high rating.
comfy on solo. So
Yeah, to be honest, when you got it all to yourself, it's like heaven.
yeah,
It's paradise.
Lucky.
fall asleep right here.
What motivates you as individuals to do music?
I feel like I've only ever wanted to do music, really.
Yeah. What
Since-
else would you do?
Like I've done loads of different jobs and they've all just been really mind-numbing.
Yeah.
So if you can get paid to do something that you really like, that's always a win, I
You
think.
don't end up working a day in your life more or less.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
not work, it's just,
For the love of what we do.
yeah.
I used
Enjoy
to
it.
really want to be an actor, but then as soon as I started studying it and meeting the sort of people that do it, it's just sort of, you realise it's so, I don't know, one, I don't like the sort of type of people who want to be actors, and then also it's the idea of just having to do like a really precise script and sticking to the script. I think that sort of motivated me to go on to rock and roll. Is sort of, you've got a loose script, it's performance and everything, but you've got a loose script, like you've got some sort of things you've got to follow, but every night is different, every day is different.
Yeah, every chord is different.
Every chord is different.
No, I think the appeal of having a different day, like you're doing different things all the time, the variety is the best bit for me.
Yeah, there's always something that it will throw at you.
Yeah.
Youth culture and creative culture and all of that, and drinking culture, everything's sort of died now. I think that gives us a lot of motivation to sort of do more gigs and more parties and, you know, work a little bit more and, you know, provide more entertainment for the people. It's because there's nothing for it. And like, to go out, have a couple of drinks, come back home, maybe get a kebab, is spending 50 quid in like one night. So to be able to, one, entertain a crowd, and two, do it where people can have a night out for free, or if you're like a couple of quid, and that motivates you as well.
For the people.
For the people.
For the people.
Not for us. For the people. For the people.